Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a special extra episode for you guys. Today is our first day that we've opened up our shop. We have people driving out from Tampa, from Miami, and for those of you all not in the area, it's about 30 to 45 minutes to 4 hours away. We had a whole lot of people come out here, and in Salvage or Savage style, we're gonna have a burnout competition for you, so let's go outside and see what's going on. Filled up our entire parking lot. I believe there was probably about 40 or 50 cars out here. I had no idea what to expect, and I was completely overwhelmed with the amount of people who came out here. We had new stuff, old stuff. We had rat rods. Look at this thing. Clean paint jobs to just complete no paint jobs. So we have this area cleaned out, and it is time to lay down the rubber. We had to make some special Salvage or Savage trophies. We got best of show with this camshaft. We got a chain. I just worked on a bunch of crap that was laying around the shop. The Savage choice and the best burnout. The burnout chain. Salvage or Savage style. Hey Riv, what's up, yo? To get the crowd warmed up, I got the man himself, the Riv dog, warming up the Travelall. We have a 1955 single turbo LS Belair. We got this guy Austin, who's a new friend of the team with his twin turbo Apache. We have a dude who brought out a spare set of tires, so you know he's ready to party. And then Shannon. We got Shannon from the hobby shop. Shannon from the hobby shop has got his 350Z.
My son's Z.
Oh, he's gonna do a burnout in his son's car. So if it breaks, then he'll have to buy him a new one. Look at this thing, he's already warming up. Hey, if you're willing to smoke some tires, and you're a friend of Salvage or Savage, so let's do this. He's even got a passenger. He's got a passenger for this one. Get in there. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Gas.
Alright, it's gonna get nasty.
Alright, I know what the problem was. It ain't got no gas in it. I knew it was out of gas. I was supposed to go to the gas station today, but I ran out of time. So Shannon from the hobby shop went and grabbed a gas tank from the storage closet.
Man, it smells like fuel's leaking in here too. Well, yeah, Shannon's pouring half of the fuel container on the floor.
Alright, now we're ready. Shannon put about 2.5 gallons of fuel in. He's got an arm pump. We got fuel pressure. Time to send it. There you go. There you go. Guys, that's just a warm-up. Look at this, look at that. He laid it down, boys. All right, who's up? Who's up? Shannon, hobby shop 350Z. Let's go. Alright, I know who's up right now. Where's Austin? Austin, come on, buddy. I'm coming with you. Alright, so Austin's got a twin turbo 5.3. 5.3 twin turbo, a nice looking truck, raw. We get ready to put some Poppy Patina on it. So this is one of Kalel's buddies. He brought out a spare set of tires just for the burnout competition. Pretty good. That was pretty good. Woo! Smoked him. He laid down some rubber. Look at this right here. Look at this right here. That's what I do for you guys. I get in a mix. I got rubber on my J's, on my hair, all over my stuff. Come on, guys. Give me a little something here. All right, this is a special burnout all the way from Australia. Come on, 55, you better get over and represent. All right, so this guy is known to be the burnout king. 55, what's up, my dude? What up? Come on, brother. Come on back here. Come on. Get your ass back there. I gotta grab this. This is a custom Mikey Roll Salvage trophy. Stop showing off. Stop showing off now. You already won. That's what this bitch is doing. This is a People's Choice Award. You got the first ever Mikey Rolls Burnout Champ trophy. Always, never disappointing. Always coming out representing. 305 represent. Belair 55 in the house. So Austin did not win the burnout competition, and it's very unfortunate. But I do have something special for him. I have the world's heaviest trophy that I've ever felt in my life, the Savage Choice. So this is my pick, Mikey's pick. This is for you, bro. This is made with love, my dog.
Oh, Jesus.
See, I told you.
It's heavy.
You want me to get a tow truck for that?
I might need one.
Congratulations. Badass car, bro. Thank you for coming. I hate to do this because there's been a lot of people hanging out here all day, and this guy rolls in literally at the freaking 9th yard. Did they even say that, 9th yard? All right, I'm just gonna set this down for a second because it's kind of heavy too. Best of show. All right, so we got a 67 Nova here. Come here, Mr. Hyatt. Come here. What's under the hood? Let's start there.
So we've got a 60 LS.
60 LS, 60 LS. Oh, wow. Oh, we got a Pro Charger. Okay, we got a big old Pro Charger. We got a 60 LS. My man means business. Did you hear that? That's the Pro Charger. When he pulled up, I just heard it. That's business right there. That's business. So I'm looking forward to get this thing tuned, bring it back, so he can do a burnout too, because I'm pretty sure this thing will smoke some tires. He's got the best stuff on here. I mean, look at it. Holly, vibrant, Pro Charger. Sounds good, smells good, looks good. Love it. Can you give it a little, just a little, just a little. Beautiful car, bro. Well done, my friend. Well done. All right, so that's a wrap on the Burnout competition. That's also a wrap on all 3 trophies. I handed out Best of Show. I handed out the Salvage Choice, which is my personal pick, and the Burnout Champ. So I think that's a wrap on the party. Everybody get the f out of here. Everything's away except for one thing. Travelall. I must admit. You guys have been warning me about that drive shaft. And you know, I saw the signs and I just kind of avoided them. But I must say, it has lasted quite a bit, man. We had multiple burnouts with that thing. The drive shaft is broke. It is hanging. But it's not my weld.
Yeah, look at that, Mikey.
What is that, Andrew?
Oh, the U-joint's broke.
The U-joint. So, my weld held up. You guys warned me, get that replaced before we did anything. We've had 4 or 5 burnouts. We had a dyno run. We've driven the shit out of this thing. The weld is held up. I went to put this thing in the shop and I dumped the first gear in like, I don't know, maybe 4,000 RPM. Maybe I shouldn't have done that, but I did. And click, 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 click. It didn't work. So, drive shaft will be replaced. We will see another day. Look at this, guys. Look at these burnouts. This was all pretty much today. We had a blast. I hope you guys enjoyed our secondary content piece. We had fun sharing it with you. We had a blast today. We thank everybody for coming out. We couldn't do it without you guys, by the way. All of our followers, all of our subscribers.
If you are in South Florida and you want to make sure that you don't miss the next one, go over to our Instagram because that's where we're posting all the updates on these events. So make sure you don't miss the next one because we'd love to see you out here.
Yeah. Early December, we're gonna have a Toys for Tots. So you come out here to the shop, you bring a toy for the less privileged, and
Tater tots for Kyle.
Tater tots for Kyle. That's it, man. We'll see you guys on Wednesday. Until next time, peace.
You know what we should have done?
What should we do?
A Rari burnout.
Rari?
Rari donuts?
You want to?
Rari donuts.
It really needs body work.
Do it. Do it. We even had a dyno run on this thing. Freaking thing. Son of a gun.